girl Shareen Nicole, and I'm back with another video. So if you want to see the haircut and hair color I'm about to do, stay tuned. All right, my curly niestas out there, y'all already know I'm really silly. Well, maybe you don't know, but that's okay. So here we're getting into some long layers on an actual human. Yes, you have graduated to doing humans. Yes, you have. So in the first video, I know that we were cutting long layers and we were doing that on our wig. So this time we are actually cutting long layers on a client. So this is actually my daughter. She comes all the time to get her hair trimmed and cut. So we're going to be giving our client what she wants, which is long layers and a face frame, which is what she always gets. So that's what we're doing right here. Now remember what we did in the last video. We sectioned the hair off and we pull it out straight from the head at its natural angle. And so that's what I'm doing here. So I just wanted to take the time out to show you guys how it's done on an actual person as opposed to a mannequin head or a wig. So it's the same concept, same process. You know, you're going to do your first cut in the front where you make the part in the middle so that the hair evenly is distributed throughout the head. And then you just go around the head at the curvature and pull it straight out from the head, honey. And you just cut that hair, okay? I know a lot of people out there are probably nervous or scared to cut curly hair because yes, it does bounce back, but you're always going to cross-check your haircut, and that's something you always want to do. Like once you're done with the long layers, I'm not sure if I filmed that part, but you want to go in and pull the hair out towards you so that you can cross-check the hair and make sure that the hair is even throughout the head. So here we're just wetting the hair down and making sure that, you know, everything is nice and wet because you don't want to cut curly hair while it's dry. That's just me. I cut everybody's hair the same way, whether it's curly, whether it's straight. You know, it just takes a little bit more work when the hair is curly. And right there, you see how I pulled it straight out towards me? That's how you make sure that the hair is actually even on both sides or all sides. So yes, we will be getting to the face frame in a bit, but how is everyone doing out there? I hope you guys are enjoying these videos and tutorials that I have for you for cutting, you know, hair and long layers and, you know, how you go about it. So yes, honey, we are just getting into cutting this curly hair client for all my curly niestas out there. So hopefully you guys are enjoying this, and this is good for you too, you know. Maybe you're thinking about cutting your own hair at home, which I wouldn't recommend, but if you do have to, you know, this is a good guide for you. So right here, I'm pulling all the hair straight forward, and this is going to give you a V shape in the back. So for all your clients who might want a V shape in the back with straight hair, this is how you achieve that look. So we're over directing the hair all the way from the back. And if I can explain it a little bit better, you want to part the hair down the middle in the center of the back of the client's head. And you just want to pull the hair all the way forward and then cut. As you can see, I'm just sliding down, cutting, sliding down, cutting. And that's what you do. And then when you pull the hair back, you will have a V shape. Now, she didn't necessarily want that V shape. So like I said, when we cut the mannequin, what we did was we trimmed the ends after we did the layers, and we're still doing that now. So sorry that you guys couldn't see that part, but all we're doing is taking about a good, probably like an inch off the bottom just to make sure that everything was nice and trimmed up and even. And make sure you guys stay tuned for part 2 because I will be dyeing her hair. Thank you guys for joining me on this video, and I hope you enjoy. Bye.